If you're looking for a way to be able to get fantastic aerial shots for whatever project you're working on, then you either have one of two options. There's either to get a massive boom like the professionals in Hollywood, which, let's be honest, would probably cost you well beyond an arm and a leg, and it's just not convenient space-wise, or the most affordable and most reasonable option, a drone, which is why today we're going to be going over the top 3 most popular drones that are out there, which will not only give you fantastic aerial shots, but do it while giving you Hollywood level quality without all the hassle of lugging around a massive boom from place to place. Kicking off our list of the most popular drones, we have the Ruko F11. With the Ruko F11, you're going to be able to experience splendid 4K Ultra HD picture quality and 2.9K video for stunning clarity, high contrast, and vivid colors, making every video look so immersive and lifelike no matter where you pan the camera. Not only that, but the camera does come with a 120-degree field of vision lens and 90-degree adjustable camera that gives a broad view of your most memorable moments, meaning that you'll never miss out on another breathtaking shot. And talk about being able to get the most out of each and every experience, because the Ruko F11 is equipped with an upgraded 2,500 milliamp intelligent battery, which helps to provide up to 30 minutes of flight time. And the best part is, the charging only takes 3.5 hours, meaning that you'll have plenty of time for way more fun. The drone can even reach live video transmissions of up to 300 or 500 meters, giving you the chance to get some really super far shots that will blow people away with how much you'll be able to show them in one shot. Plus, with a strong GPS signal, it can basically hover stably to catch clear images and return home safely, all while giving you fantastic views of whatever it is that you captured. The Ruko F11 is easy for beginners to operate, with functions like auto return, FPV, tap fly, headless mode, and one-key takeoff and landing, all with one simple button press. The brushless motor within the Ruko F11 is made of high-quality aluminum alloy, equipped with an 11.1 volt high-voltage battery, making it where the drone's flying is powerful and stable. The Ruko F11 can even reach speeds of up to 26 miles per hour and still keep stable while going at those fast speeds. And don't worry about if something happens to the Ruko F11, because Ruko promises 30 days of return or exchange and a 90-day free warranty. So that way, if there is anything that comes up while using it, which makes you either not like it or if there's a defective part, they will happily work with you to get it resolved. By the way, today's sponsor is Total AV. Total AV is consistently the top choice to protect all of your household devices, computers, laptops, and smartphones from any sort of viruses, malware, and hackers. You can check the description of our full review, along with an exclusive 80% discount if you're interested. Next up on the docket, we have the Potensic T25. Potensic is a manufacturer that is quite the king when it comes to selling affordable and accessible drones that have good onboard technology. For starters, the Potensic T25 comes with an aluminum silver carry case, meaning that you could bring it outdoors to any environment without all the hassle of lugging around a bunch of heavy equipment. The built-in camera comes with a headless mode, altitude mode, and one key to take off and land function that makes this drone super easy to access. The Potensic T25 has a one-of-a-kind advanced camera, which comes with 4K video and a 120-degree field of vision lens that even allows for real-time video transmission. It can capture clear pictures even if the drone flies in high speed, letting you see what your drone sees, making it ideal for filming a designated spot or simply to look around. And get this, the Potensic T25 comes equipped with dual GPS and will stay still in the wind no matter how bad it's blowing. What is super neat as well is that the Potensic T25 has a press and return button whenever the drone is in GPS mode, making it where it will fly back to the home point that you had set as its takeoff place. Oh, and get a load of this. The Follow Me mode and dual GPS will free your hands and automatically follow you while simultaneously capturing all the videos and photos that you want it to. Want to set a customized flight path? Go for it. You can have the Potensic T25 go along a preset path, and it will take all the videos or pictures you want along its way before it returns back to you. Not to mention that you'll get 2 modular batteries, which do hold 1,000 milliamps of juice and can get up to 300 meters of control range, enabling you to go farther and see broader than any other drone out there. Rounding down our list of the top drones for 2021, there is the DJI Mavic Air 2. The biggest draw towards the DJI Mavic Air 2 is probably the fact that it's one of the most smallest as well as most compact drones on the market. For one, you'll be able to stay in the air long enough to get the perfect capture with an impressive battery life of up to 34 minutes and pull off epic fast-paced shots with a max flight speed of 42.3 miles per hour in sport mode. Plus, the Mavic Air 2 perceives its environment in 3 directions: forward, backward, and downward, with an auxiliary light helping to improve visibility and the extra layer of security that obstacle avoidance provides, which is ideal for pushing the limits of what's possible. And when I say that it packs a punch, it really does that in the camera department, with its ability to capture impressive 48 megapixel photos with a half-inch CMOS sensor with a 3-axis gimbal providing 4K 60 FPS video. The secret to its incredible HDR video is a high-performance quad-Bayer image sensor and OcuSync 2.0 that has a video transmission distance of up to 6.2 miles or 10 kilometers. It can also deliver 1080p FHD resolution live stream directly from the drone's camera. Not to mention that the Mavic Air 2 even features intuitive shooting functions that make aerial photography easier than ever. A signature Spotlight 2.0 keeps the camera locked on a subject while you fly freely, while the Active Track 3.0 keeps the subject centered. To top it all off, the POI 3.0 tracks moving objects like people and vehicles, all while in a smooth and effortless motion, without your traditional bumpy footage that you would see with most other drones. If you want to as well, you can edit video while out on the field, along with seeing your video live thanks to the DJI Fly app, which both works on iOS and Android devices, giving you more free range motion on how you work directly with the drone and not have to start and stop so often to adjust the camera or flight pattern. So there you have it, folks. Those are our top 3 picks of the most popular drones that you can find on the market today. Which one do you want to go out and grab for your next project to give it that extra oomph by having beautiful wide-angle visuals? And are there any drones that we missed which you think should have been on our list? Let us know in the comment section down below, and if you enjoyed this video, then please give us a big thumbs up if you like what we do. Plus, subscribe to the channel for more amazing reviews and content just like this. Not to mention that if you want to grab yourself any of the products that we covered in today's video, you can check them out in the description below if you want to be able to pick them up. And if you do want to check out more amazing product reviews by us, then go ahead and click on one of these videos here to be able to learn more.